So anytime you've got furnaces and fired heaters, those are automatic candidates. And if you have units that have production limits, that's an even more important scenario, because production limits like hydraulic limits, draft limits, bridge wall temperature, burner limits, all of those can be very negative on the facility itself, and we can largely relieve those by putting in our technologies into play. As a matter of fact, if you think about critical process temperatures, like in preheat situations, crossover temperatures in convection sections, that's an even better scenario, because the payback that we typically are able to provide with our technology is in months. And when you compare months of a payback to years or 6, 8, 10 years of performance, that's a tremendous internal rate of return for our clients.